People of the world, what is going on? So, after a crazy day of severe weather yesterday, now we're having even way crazier severe flooding in the area today. Flash flood warnings, crazy flooding, some of the heaviest rain we've seen in some time. Also want to say rest in peace, rest in power to Chadwick Boseman. Just prayers to his family. He was a great man. If you have not seen him in 42, Jackie Robinson movie, I would highly suggest you do that right now because it is a really great movie and he made the whole movie. He's just an incredible actor, just battling through colon cancer, just all that, and still being able to it's just make all those movies. It's crazy. It's really the power to him, man. I'm telling you, he's just great guy. So him and Kobe now, together. It's crazy, crazy year, among other things. We have a lot of heavy rain. It is now sunny, but that was not the case just a few hours ago. The rain's really coming down now. These are the remnants of Laura, which was once a major Category 4 hurricane in the Gulf, and we're getting the moisture. Pretty crazy how getting the moisture all the way from Laura. Oh, this is the tropical moisture from Laura. As you can see, flooding is really getting bad now. Starting to move up closer to the door, which is not good. And yeah, drainage ditches starting to get too high as well. Move all the way down there. Mitzi is concerned as well. Just really, really heavy rain this morning. Again, these are the remnants from Laura, which was once a powerful Cat 4. We are going to need an ark. That was Mitzi. She's getting a little wild. She's getting a little crazy. That's what's going on, so an update. Water's getting close. Still teeming. Water keeps rising. Got a moat. And again, coming right up, so hopefully we don't get any flood damage here, but you know, pretty bad. Rain is really not let up. Just tropical downpours from Laura. And some gusty winds mixing in here as well. Crazy weather. We have gotten close to, I would say, about 4 to 5 inches of rain so far, and it's still raining. Really heavy right now. See that bug? Water bug, you know, trying to escape, but I mean, as you can tell, it's still really raining. Very, very heavy, so. Coming down. Mitzi's not amused. What do you think, Mitz? Mitzi. What do you think? So, check back in shortly. Looks like the rain's starting to die down just a little bit, so we'll see what happens. So yeah, water's coming up close now. Yeah, I get a little nervous. It still is raining pretty heavy, and well, Mitzi's doing the smart thing. She's gotten to higher ground. Mitz, you have room up there for me? So Mitz is moving to higher ground, and well, I should probably start doing that as well. Sorry it's so dark in here, but yeah, we're currently in just a monsoon. Some of the heaviest rainfall flooding I've seen since we've been here. And this is like the grand finale since we're moving in a couple days. So, really heavy rainfall here. And more to come, most likely, later on. So stay tuned. But yeah, it's a lot of water. Still raining pretty good too. So, yikes. Alright, so I'm back at my dad's right now, and yeah, can't get out of the car. Not gonna get out of the car again. It's just teeming once again. I mean, we're getting like a training effect with these like blinding downpours and storms right now. I mean, this flooding is like no joke. I mean, we were getting flash flooding, and yeah, it's really bad. So this is what I'm doing right now, and well, when I left my mom's, I ran out. I got completely soaked, head to toe. I'm still kind of wet right now. As you can tell, that's not sweat like it normally is with me. It's just rain, and it's just, I mean, the rain is just absolutely blinding right now. So, yep, trying to wait this out a little bit longer, if possible. But yeah, we've been getting hammered like never before. The remnants of Laura coming right up, and yeah. Rain just keeps on coming. So when I decide to get out, and I have the guts to get out, I'll let you guys know. Alright, so I'm at my dad's right now, and as you see, the pool is possibly the highest it's ever been, getting a lot of flooding. And yep, the remnants of Laura. Very, very, very heavy rain and flash flooding, and rain still has not stopped. Almost 3 hours and counting now, so it's extremely heavy rain. So look how high that pool. Things are gonna just go out of it. Crazy. Alright guys, so here's some of the aftermath of our crazy blinding downpours and flooding. And well, the pool is overflowing as well. There you have it. We may not be done with the rain either. All of the flooding. as the sun tries to peek out. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications to get notified every time I upload. And as always, be sure to follow my Instagram at MattDeAngelisMusic. And I will catch you guys on the flip side.